How to fix bad sound quality on PC on Windows 10 or 11. So the very first thing you want to try doing is try a noise remover. The first method we recommend is to use EaseUS Video Kit, an excellent background noise remover, which is an unmissable choice for most Windows users. This software is powered by artificial intelligence, so it can help users accurately remove background noise from video files. That means you can gain an audio file with more clear vocals rather than any noise. Firstly, download and launch EaseUS Video Kit. Then go to Video Editor, and then click on Add Files and browse your videos. Enter the editing interface, and in the audio section, enable Remove Background Noise. Then click on Save, and then click on Export. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to try doing is enable Enhance Audio feature. The second method we suggest is to use the built-in feature of Windows 11 to change the sound settings on the device, and then you can enhance audio quality. There are some detailed steps for you can learn. Press the Windows icon on the keyboard and open Settings. In the System menu, click on Sound. Swipe your mouse cursor below until you see the Advanced option. Then choose All Sound Devices. Choose Speakers from Output Devices. In the Output settings, enable Enhance Audio. After finishing the steps, it is believed that when you play your music or movie in the device, the sound quality will be greatly improved, and you can have better music or video watching experience. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix bad sound quality on PC on Windows 11 or 10. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.